Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's videos on the top 5 reliable used vehicles for 2020. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. As you know, a lot of vehicles are out there. Some of them are very luxurious, some of them are very beautiful, and some of them are very costly to repair as well too. So if you're shopping for a used vehicle in the coming months, there are going to be some great deals. But look carefully before you shop for these vehicles. Look at consumer reports, look at different repair websites and car forums as well. What kind of problems you're going to encounter before you purchase that vehicle and spend your money on that vehicle. Here's a list of 5 cars I put together. Number 1, in no particular order by the way, I have the Honda Accord Hybrid. And the Honda Accord Hybrid Touring was the vehicle I used to own, which is really nice. It drives a little bit different from the gasoline counterpart, but it was very smooth and very quiet overall, and very roomy as well too. So I really enjoyed the vehicle, and the LED headlights were great at night. So I had no problem seeing. Handling was not an issue, and it includes the fog lamps as well too. If you really like Hondas and Honda Accords, overall they're very reliable right now. However, as you probably noticed, turbo engines do require more maintenance over the age of the vehicle. So as the car ages more, you may need more maintenance and repairs. So that's something a little bit different from the regular inline 4 engines or 6-cylinder engines that Honda used to have. So that's something to note as well too if you're shopping for a vehicle and you plan to keep it for very long periods of time. So to keep that in mind. Okay, next on the list is the Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry Hybrid. This one's the Toyota Camry Hybrid in the picture. It's very reliable and it's very quiet and simple to drive. And not only that, it saves you gas at the same time. So with this new architecture and everything, you do hear a little bit of CVT noise. Other than that, this vehicle is very reliable. You don't expect a lot of repairs with the hybrid Synergy drive system. It's been out there and tested and proven over time. Okay, so we have now a Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has been very reliable over the years, and this one's going to be no different. It rides a new TNGA platform and gives you a better handling and suspension. However, there's a number of recalls on the Toyota Camry right now, so keep that in mind, including the engine, and that's going to be something that to prove over time on the new Toyota Camry. But no issues right now to report. And next we have the Toyota Prius. Toyota Prius comes with the Prius Prime and the Prius. So the Prius Prime gives you the ability to use the EV charger to enhance your range. And both of them do use the Toyota Synergy drive system. And with the proven reliability of Synergy drive and the vehicle overall, you don't expect to see much repair on this vehicle at all. If you're looking for something trendy, you might want to look at the Lexus NX. The Lexus NX 200T is the older model. The 300 is the newer one. The two that I recommend is actually the F Sport, the regular gasoline one, and they do have a hybrid as well too. So this one is shown in particular is the F Sport, which has the sports tune suspension and also the nice mesh grille as well too. But if you're just looking for a regular NX, the regular one would just drive fine. The NX has been a very reliable vehicle overall. There's not any major reports of problem. It does have a turbo engine, so keep that in mind. Over time, turbo engine will probably require more maintenance than a regular gasoline engine. So keep that in mind if you're purchasing this vehicle. And the other thing is customer satisfaction with this vehicle isn't as high as the other vehicles on Lexus lineup as well too. So this is an entry-level SUV. The less pricey sibling is the Toyota RAV4. So for those folks who want something a little bit lower price. Okay, so we're looking at number 5 right now, and that's a Lexus RX350. The Lexus RX350 is bigger than the NX, but although the design cue looks very similar, the RX350 has a very nice, comfortable ride. The seats are a lot more comfortable as well too. and it's a bigger vehicle. So this one's not going to give you the sports ride that you could get in the NX, but it does get you from point A to point B in very nice, comfortable fashion. So this one's been around for a while, so expect a redesign soon, but you could take advantage of the used car price for this one and save quite a bit because the new ones are very expensive, anywhere from $50 to $60 depending on which model. It does come for export as well too. If you're looking for a little bit lesser price one, the sibling is the Toyota Highlander, which has a lot of share amenities as well too. And these are my thoughts to help you out if you're looking for a particular vehicle, SUV, or car. So these are my opinion. You always remember to do your own research and see which car fits in your budget. And you don't want to get stuck with something that's not reliable. That's going to cost you a lot of money in the future. Hopefully it helps you out. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.